NHRA safety officials there in the stands in the black and yellow that he can't fire. They're on the inset right now, just making sure that he's able to continue on his run with 46 seconds left for El Toro Loco and Armando Castro. Time to see what our safety officials decide and the communication there with